Okay, so if you watched one of my other videos, I was shopping somewhere, I think Ollie's, and I mentioned that I was bidding on some statues. Well, I won this one, the Black Widow. Okay, this is sculpted by Randy Bowen. A lot of people consider Mr. Bowen to be the father of comic book collectible statues. This is from the golden age of comic book statues through his company, Bowen Designs. I wasn't trying to make movie statues. These are well before the Marvel Universe came out. This is Natasha Romanoff as the Black Widow. Now, initially, if you didn't know, Natasha Romanoff started off as an enemy of Iron Man. And then eventually, over time, changed sides and became a good guy. So in this auction, I paid 55 bucks. These statues, something like this, probably go for around $225, $250. I'll still have the lot number from the auction on there. So I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we got in here. I hope it's not a brick. Okay guys, sorry guys, so I'm opening this. Now this was a previously displayed piece, so it wasn't like some of my others that I get are still taped together as brand new, but I do recommend keeping the box if you're a collector and you're thinking of selling these later, or you just want to put it next to or behind the statue you got. This one has the original packaging as well. All right, whoa. All right, let's take a look at this. All right, so this is the Black Widow. It's numbered, number 3118 out of 4,000. Okay, I might clean it off a little bit here. This is her in the box. We're about to take her out. All right, and there she is in all her glory. Got a light on her. That's her comic book look. Very sleek. Shoes go into the little holes that were here. See? Most statues are like that, which is nice. Got a few flakes from the styrofoam on there, but I'll clean all this in a little bit. I think I got a great deal here. The base is very heavy. The base on this thing is really heavy. She's got her red hair. You can see she's strong. She's got her muscles. Her back, she will kick your butt. And she looks like she's ready to fight. So this is our newest statue to the collection. I hope you enjoyed looking. So if you want to get one, I'm sure, well, I don't know that you'll have any Black Widows like this coming out. These aren't common. You know, every time I bid on a statue, it's usually, they're numbered pieces, so, you know, they come out when they come out, but you just keep an eye on them. And I don't do eBay. eBay's a little nutty when it comes to this stuff as far as pricing goes. Even on auctions, I go to high bid. So I'm happy with it. She's gonna find her home up there next to Thor. And I'm gonna move that Sky Vodka lamp. We turned a Sky Vodka bottle into a lamp because, you know, why not? Okay, guys, well, thanks for joining me. Black Widow says, thank you. I hope you enjoy. I hope this, you know, if you're a collector, or if you do like I do, and you make these things as well. I make dioramas, and I turn dollar store stuff into scary stuff because, I don't know, I've got time, I guess, after work, and, you know, I don't drink or anything anymore, so I found a new hobby. So I'm gonna make something with this, so stay tuned for that. I don't know exactly what. I want to make maybe a giant scarecrow hay man or something. Something Halloween-y. I was thinking maybe something with a cemetery, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. We'll see you in the next one. I'm probably going to take a few weeks off of buying some things here, because I got to do the foundation on the house. And then after that, we'll get back to it. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks. Good night. Bye. Okay, so I cleaned her up. She's got a spot by Thor. There's a little Iron Man. I do have a Thor statue. Maybe I should put him up here. That one's a big one. That one's like huge.